Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice and in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make Snapchat music longer. So first of all, we'll go to our Snapchat app, click on our Snapchat and you are going to take any picture. Let's take a picture. And now we are going to add music to this. So click on your music icon and let's just use this song. Then click on the music here, up here, as you can see, and you can actually increase by scrolling. Can make the music longer by scrolling right here, like scroll right here, just click and scroll. Then actually the release can actually be written on the screen if you want, and you just click on this right here. Yeah, click on it and this is how it's going to look like, and your music will now be longer than the usual. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.